These cars ruled the streets before social media even existed. You have 5 seconds to prove you're a real car legend. Let's begin. Question 1. In 1970, one muscle car terrified competitors on American streets. Its roar was unforgettable. What car is this? A. Ford Mustang Boss 302. B. Chevrolet Chevelle SSC Dodge Challenger D. Pontiac GTO. Answer: Ford Mustang Boss 302.
Question 2. This aggressive striped 1970s legend became a street icon. Is it option A Ford Torino, option B Chevrolet Camaro, Z28, option C Buick, GSX, or option D Plymouth Roadrunner? The correct answer is option B Chevrolet Camaro, Z28. Question 3. Hollywood made this hidden headlight muscle car unforgettable. Is it option A AMC Javelin, option B Oldsmobile 442, option C Dodge Charger RT, or option D Mercury Cougar? The correct answer is option C Dodge Charger RT. Question 4. Black paint. Golden bird on the hood. Which car is it? Option A Buick Riviera, option B Ford, Thunderbird, option C Chevrolet Monte Carlo, or option D Pontiac Firebird Trans Am? The correct answer is option D Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Question 5. This 1970s sports car had dramatic curves and serious performance. Is it option A Chevrolet Corvette, C3 option B Shelby Cobra, option C De Tomaso Pantera, or option D Jaguar E-Type? The correct answer is option A Chevrolet Corvette C3. Question 6. This exotic car shocked the world with scissor doors. Is it option A Ferrari Testarossa, option B Lamborghini Countach, option C Lotus Esprit, or option D Porsche 928? The correct answer is option B Lamborghini Countach. Question 7. One of the greatest 1980s supercars ever built. Is it option A Ferrari F40, option B Lamborghini Diablo, option C Porsche 959, or option D Ferrari 348? The correct answer is option A Ferrari F40. Question 8. This turbocharged German icon had its engine in the rear. Is it option A Porsche 944, option B Porsche 911, Turbo 930, option C Porsche 928, or option D BMW M1? The correct answer is option B Porsche 911 Turbo 930. Question 9. A 1990s Japanese street racing legend. Is it option A Toyota Supra Mark IV, option B Nissan 300ZX, option C Mazda RX-7, or option D Mitsubishi 3000 GT? The correct answer is option A Toyota Supra Mark IV. Question 10. Nicknamed Godzilla. Is it option A Toyota Celica GT4, option B Subaru WRX, option C Nissan Skyline GTR R34, or option D Honda Prelude? The correct answer is option C Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Question 11. This lightweight car used a rotary engine. Is it option A Mazda RX 7FD, option B Mazda MX-5, option C Honda S2000, or option D Toyota MR2? The correct answer is option A Mazda RX-7 FD. Question 12. Japan's first true supercar? Is it option A Acura Legend, option B Mitsubishi Eclipse, option C Honda NSX, or option D Toyota Supra? The correct answer is option C Honda NSX. Question 13. A boxy German racing legend from the 1980s? Is it option A Mercedes 190E, option B BMW M3 E30, option C Audi RS2, or option D BMW 635 CSI? The correct answer is option B BMW M3 E30. Question 14. A luxury sedan hiding serious power. Is it option A Mercedes-Benz 500E, option B BMW 540i, option C Audi A6, or option D Volvo 850R? The correct answer is option A Mercedes-Benz 500E. Question 15. Born to dominate rally racing. Is it option A Lancia Delta Integral, option B Ford Sierra Cosworth, option C Audi Quattro, or option D Subaru Legacy? The correct answer is option C Audi Quattro. Question 16. A big body black 1990s street king. Is it option A Cadillac Fleetwood, option B Chevrolet Impala SS 1994, option C Buick Roadmaster, or option D Ford Crown Victoria? The correct answer is option B Chevrolet Impala SS 1994. Question 17. Raw American power with no roof. Is it option A Chevrolet Corvette C4, option B Dodge Viper RT10, option C Ford GT, or option D Shelby Series 1? The correct answer is option B Dodge Viper RT10. Question 18. A lightweight front-wheel drive legend from the late 1990s. Is it option A Honda Civic Type R, option B Acura Integra Type R, option C Toyota AE86, or option D Nissan Sentra SER? The correct answer is option B Acura Integra Type R. Question 19. A mid-engine compact 1990s sports car. Is it option A Mazda Miata, option B Pontiac Fiero, option C Fiat X19, or option D Toyota MR2? The correct answer is option D Toyota MR2. Question 20. In the 1990s, this became the fastest production car in the world. Is it option A Lamborghini Diablo, option B Ferrari F355, option C McLaren F1, or option D Jaguar XJ220? The correct answer is option C McLaren F1. If you survived all 20 questions, you are a true car legend. Comment how many lives you have left.